Imagine shopping online, and as soon as you land on your favorite store's website, it already knows what you're looking for. Before you even have to think about it, the products you're interested in are right there in front of you. Not only that, but they arrive at your doorstep faster than you thought possible, thanks to intelligent logistics systems and AI-powered predictions. This might sound like the future, but in reality, this is already happening. But here's the big question. Can AI actually build the next Amazon? Can it create the e-commerce giants of tomorrow? Today we'll explore exactly how AI is not just changing the way we shop, but how it's shaping the future of billion-dollar e-commerce empires. We'll explore how AI is revolutionizing product recommendations, customer experience, logistics, predictive analytics, and much more. Stay tuned as we dive deep into how AI is helping e-commerce companies scale faster than ever before. To understand how AI is revolutionizing e-commerce, we first need to take a step back and look at the fundamentals. How is AI being used today? When you think of e-commerce giants, Amazon is probably the first name that comes to mind. The platform's ability to suggest products that seem like they were handpicked just for you is one of the most impressive aspects of their customer experience. That's all thanks to AI. Amazon's recommendation engine, driven by machine learning, analyzes your browsing history, purchase patterns, and even the browsing behavior of others with similar preferences. By combining these insights, Amazon is able to recommend products that have a higher chance of conversion. And this isn't just about convenience, it's about revenue. In fact, over 35% of Amazon's total sales come directly from its recommendation engine. The AI-driven personalization and recommendation systems in e-commerce have grown significantly. In 2023, AI-powered personalization was estimated to be worth over $10 billion globally. And as we move forward, this number is expected to increase by over 20% annually. But it's not just about predicting what customers want to buy next. AI is reshaping the entire shopping experience, making it smoother, faster, and more personalized. Imagine needing help while shopping online, and instead of waiting hours for a response, an AI chatbot immediately pops up to assist you. Companies like H&M and Sephora are leading the charge in customer service with AI-driven chatbots that handle everything from order inquiries to product recommendations. Take Sephora, for instance. Their AI-powered chatbot, Sephora Virtual Artist, helps customers choose makeup products based on their skin tone, preferences, and even trends. It's so accurate that customers trust it to make decisions for them. And it's not just enhancing the experience, it's leading to higher conversion rates. Sephora has reported a 45% increase in engagement through this AI feature alone. Even smaller companies are harnessing AI's potential to offer personalized experiences. For example, Burberry launched an AI chatbot on Facebook Messenger that offers personalized product suggestions, lets users shop runway looks, and shares exclusive content. This AI concierge boosted customer engagement and streamlined shopping, acting like a scalable personal shopper. So, how is AI improving your shopping experience today? Think about the last time you interacted with an AI chatbot. Did it make your purchase decision easier or more enjoyable? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's take a look at something that has the potential to change the entire logistics game: predictive analytics. Imagine if your favorite e-commerce platform could predict exactly what you're going to want to buy. Companies like Walmart are already using AI to predict demand for products. AI algorithms analyze historical data, seasonality trends, and even real-time data like weather patterns to forecast which products are likely to sell out next. This helps companies reduce stockouts and overstocking, ensuring the right products are always available at the right time. In 2022, Target used AI to analyze trends and customer buying patterns to predict which products would be in high demand during the holiday season. This resulted in a 20% improvement in inventory accuracy, helping the company avoid costly stockouts while also reducing excess inventory by 15%. Now, let's talk about the backbone of any e-commerce operation: logistics and supply chain management. This is where AI is truly making a huge difference. Amazon is a pioneer when it comes to using AI in logistics. In their warehouses, they've integrated over 200,000 robots that work alongside human employees to pick, pack, and ship orders. These robots use AI to map out the most efficient routes in the warehouse, helping to process orders faster. This has resulted in Amazon being able to ship products much more efficiently, often within hours of an order being placed. It's not just about speed, it's about reducing costs while improving accuracy. But it's not just about automation in warehouses. AI is now being used to optimize delivery routes in real time. For example, a startup called ShipNext uses AI to analyze traffic patterns, weather forecasts, and even consumer behavior to predict the fastest delivery routes. This has allowed them to cut delivery times by 30%, while simultaneously reducing delivery costs by 15%. According to a study by Accenture, AI is expected to reduce global supply chain costs by $1.3 trillion by 2025. That's a huge opportunity for companies looking to scale fast. If AI is already helping e-commerce companies improve efficiency and reduce costs, imagine how much better it could get in the future. How do you think AI-powered logistics could transform your own e-commerce experience? So, we've talked about AI's role in personalization, customer service, inventory management, and logistics. But how does all of this come together to build the next Amazon? Take a look at the success story of NovaMind, an AI platform empowering e-commerce startups to scale quickly by optimizing customer journeys and boosting engagement. One fashion brand using NovaMind's predictive analytics cut cart abandonment by 20%, while another recovered 25% of lost sales, adding £50,000 monthly. NovaMind's AI chatbots also improve customer support with instant intelligent assistance, increasing engagement by 40%. By leveraging AI across their operations, from personalized shopping experiences to smarter supply chain decisions, startups are able to grow faster and compete with industry giants. According to McKinsey, companies that use AI in their operations are 50% more likely to see a significant increase in profitability. So, if you want to build the next Amazon, AI is no longer an option. It's a necessity. In fact, AI is expected to account for over 40% of global e-commerce revenues by 2028. The future is clear. AI will drive the next wave of e-commerce giants. So, whether you're an entrepreneur looking to build the next billion-dollar e-commerce platform, or a consumer curious about the future of online shopping, AI is already here, and it's transforming the way we do business. From personalized experiences to streamlined logistics, AI is the driving force behind the e-commerce giants of tomorrow. If you enjoyed this deep dive into how AI is shaping the future of e-commerce, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on AI and entrepreneurship. And we want to hear from you. How do you think AI will change the e-commerce industry in the next 5 years? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.